Thanks everyone for coming. We're very excited to have here students, teachers, parents, grandparents, brothers, sisters, friends, everyone that's come down for this competition.
Yeah, our product was a play group that aims to nurture social connections in young people, and we called it Excite Kids, and we ended up actually winning second place, so that was really amazing. We didn't expect it at all when we first started, but it's been an amazing journey and we had such an amazing mentor, and yeah, I definitely recommend it.
I think all of the students that were here, they have a great idea and a great project that definitely is doable, and it's something that in the future, I think many investors will see as an opportunity for investment.
Like, it's just, it was really incredible what you guys have put together.
Thank you.